much for joining us today. My name is Miho Igarashi from DPS Business Promotion Department. Today, we are pleased to present our latest B1 side digital printing press, Impremia NS40. To begin with, please take a look at the graph on the screen. This graph shows a comparison of monthly production volume between Impremia NS40 and offset press, simulated using one of our customers' operation conditions. Vertical line shows monthly production volume, and horizontal line shows the average run length. Blue line is Impremia NS40, and red line is offset. The result shows the biggest advantage of Impremia NS40, the impressive productivity on short to medium run jobs. Because Impremia NS40 does not require plate change or color change, it can produce high volume work in a short time as 6,500 sheets per hour, highest speed in its class. It is suitable not only for short-run packaging jobs, but those jobs with many spot colors and are time sensitive, such as display materials and point-of-purchase advertisements. I said in short time, so how fast can Impremia NS40 finish a job? Here's a time difference printing a display material on the offset press and the Impremia NS40. For example, if we print 100 copies of 13 images each on the offset press, it takes 7 hours for proofing and another 7 hours for production print, meaning 14 hours are required in total. On the other hand, printing the same job with Impremia NS40 will only require 1 hour and 48 minutes because plate change and color change are not required, enabling 87% time saving compared to offset. The other advantage of Impremia NS40 is the high profitability. Please take a look at the return on investment comparison graph. Vertical line shows ROI value and the horizontal line shows the average run length. You can see that the Impremia NS40 has a big advantage in short and medium run jobs over offset press. Our simulation shows that the break-even point between Impremia NS40 and offset press is at the average run length of 2,000 sheets and even higher depending on the conditions. Why is it possible to achieve such a high productivity and profitability? Let me now explain the features of Impremia NS40. First is the achievement of 6,500 sheets per hour, the highest printing speed in the class of B1 side digital printing press. The key word is drying process. Impremia NS40 has a unique system in utilizing image transfer blanket for printing. On General Aqueous Inkjet printing presses, the ink ejected from the printhead is printed directly onto the substrate, so the water in the ink permeates the substrate. Because it requires a lot of energy to dry, it is difficult to print at high speed. Whereas on Impremia NS40, the water-based nano ink ejected from the printhead forms a thin film on the image transfer blanket. The ink is dried on the blanket and then transferred to the substrate. As a result, the ink does not permeate the substrate. This system, utilizing image transfer blanket, enables 6,500 sheets per hour, the highest printing speed in its class. The second feature is its ability to print on a variety of paper types. The printing system, utilizing image transfer blanket, enables images to be printed on a variety of type of paper used for offset printing without need of dedicated paper or pre-treatment. The third feature is the excellent post-process suitability. After printing on the Impremia NS40, offline post-processing such as water-based press coating, PP lamination, board lamination, die cutting, folding, and so on can be done just like with offset printing. With its impressive features, the NGPS technology can be called as a digital offset printing, but it was not easy to come to this level. Komori have contributed in realizing high print quality by incorporating its historical know-how, for instance, in the development of control system for the image transfer blanket. Impremia NS40 is a digital printing press which could only be realized through long dedication to the manufacturing of high-quality offset printing presses. Another feature of Impremia NS40 is Nano ink used in this press covers 96% of the Pantone with 7-color inks. Also, it has passed the strict food-related safety standards such as Nestle Guidance Note and the FDA in Europe and the United States, so it can be used for food packaging. Now, I would like to show you the video introducing the mechanical configuration of Impremia NS40. From now on, I would like to show you how the actual printing process works on Impremia NS40 through the demonstration. There are two kinds of packaging designs and we will print 200 sheets of each. We will use the coated paper sun card from OG Materia with the maximum paper size of 1050 by 750 millimeters and the paper thickness of 0.33 millimeters. This is a simplex machine with 7 colors with coating and double ply delivery. After the paper setting is completed, the operator moves to the delivery area and taps the operation panel of the digital station. Now the print button is tapped and the actual print will start. After the instruction of print start, the print bar moves from the standby position to jetting position. The feeder will automatically start feeding the paper when it's ready to start. Feeding speed is 6,500 from the first sheet. The operator will check the register and the print quality of the first sheet by taking it out from the second pile. This time, the operator took the first sheet from the second pile, but from the second sheet, it will be delivered to the first pile. The output pile is set to switch like this in order to measure the color difference of the first, 50th, 100th, 150th, and the 200 sheets. Those 5 sheets will be delivered to the second pile, and the other goes to the first pile. We have just finished printing the first image, and now started to print the second image continuously. All 200 sheets of this image will be delivered to the first pile. As you can see, the digital press can print different images without stopping. All the printing process is finished and the print bar returns from the jetting position to standby position. The operator will take the first, 50th, 100, 150s, and 200 sheets from the second pile and measure the color difference. Let's take a look on the first sheet. There are 4 different spot colors in one sheet: blue, pink, orange, and chocolate. The P2C SX will measure totally 16 points. The result will be shown on the control panel screen. The left side shows the color of the measured area, and the right side shows the measurement result by using delta E. As you can see from the result, all the 16 measurement points are mostly below 1, which means that Impremia NS40 has a high stability on the colors. Next, we would like to check the color difference within one job. The operator will check the 4 colors of each 50th, 100, 150s, and 200 sheets. All the results show the difference is within delta E1, proving the stability on the color through the job. What if the same image printed on another day? The graph shows the measurement result of printing the same image every day for a week, assuming a repeat printing. As the result shows, the color difference printing on even a different day is all within delta E1. Here I brought the actual printing sample which we printed during the demonstration. I can see excellent print quality with very smooth and bright color. We hope that you've realized that Impremia NS40 can print in stable colors from the first to the last sheet and during repeat printing, even at the print speed of 6,500. Impremia NS40, born through fusion of Komori's conventional offset and the latest digital technologies, brings B1 size 6,500 sheets per hour printing into reality. We are confident that its high productivity and profitability will contribute to the expansion of your business. Thank you very much, and please look forward to the self-release of Impremia NS40.